may be wondering, how can anyone talk to liver? Isn't that what you were thinking? But it's a lot simpler than you think. Your liver does a lot more than just help with digestion. It's a superhero organ that helps fight off bad things in your body, including cancer. And the way you tell your liver is by providing it the right nourishment and taking care of yourself. Do you want to know how a small cut on your hand connects to stopping cancer? Or how certain foods like spinach and broccoli can help your liver do its job? Or why the sun is important for your liver? Stay with us until the end of this video. We'll explore 6 easy-to-understand ways your liver helps protect you from cancer, and how you can help your liver do its best. It's a journey full of surprises, and you don't need to be a scientist to join in. Let's dive in. Picture a small cut on your hand. Inside, your liver is busy creating unique proteins, always ready for action. When that cut occurs, these proteins jump into action, mingling with the platelets in the blood by the wound to gather together and forge a clot. It's like nature's own Band-Aid, sealing the wound to prevent any more blood from escaping. But that's not all. These same proteins, crafted by the liver, have another remarkable skill. They can act like invisible barriers that make it more difficult for cancer cells to spread from one part of the body to another. Now, here's where vitamin K comes into play. This vital vitamin is needed by the liver to build these amazing blood-clotting proteins. Without enough vitamin K, the liver might have trouble making these proteins, which could affect both the healing of cuts and the ability to contain cancer cells. By now, you must have already figured out how to tell your liver to prepare these proteins. By eating foods rich in vitamin K, like leafy green vegetables such as spinach, kale, and broccoli, we support our liver in this essential mission. It's a delicious and nutritious way to keep our liver functioning well and our body protected. Speaking of protection, while the liver is instrumental in defending our bodies from the spread of cancer cells, it also plays an essential role in building the soldiers that take on these dangerous cells. Let's delve into it. The liver is responsible for creating special proteins known as cytokines. These proteins are more than just simple building blocks. They act as tiny messengers that traverse through your body, carrying vital instructions. Cytokines communicate with various cells, guiding them and telling them what functions to perform. Sometimes, the liver constructs special cytokines with an explicit mission to target and go after cancer cells. This process involves complex teamwork between the liver, cytokines, and the immune system, all working together. This collaboration plays a key role in defending you from harmful diseases like cancer. But to achieve this remarkable feat, the liver needs certain nourishments. Foods that are rich in protein, such as fish, poultry, beef, eggs, dairy products, and legumes, along with those high in zinc like whole grains, nuts, and beans, promote the liver's capability to build cytokines. So, the next time you enjoy a hearty meal with these ingredients, remember that you are fueling your liver's life-saving missions. While the liver crafts these special proteins to protect us, it is equally vigilant in keeping harmful agents at bay. Let's explore its detoxifying prowess. Harmful substances called carcinogens are all around us, in our favorite processed foods, charred barbecue delights, and even in the air we breathe. They're not just hanging around for fun. These substances could be dangerous as they can cause cancer. Carcinogens can sneak into our body and change our cells' DNA, turning them into something they're not supposed to be. Yes, they may turn them into cancerous cells. But don't be anxious yet. The liver spots these carcinogens, singles them out, and gets them ready to be kicked out of the body. But then how does it do it? By making them water dissolvable. It's like turning the bad guys into harmless bottles so they can be flushed away. This isn't just a one-time event. The liver's detoxification process is an ongoing, complex operation. It's a daily grind, a relentless battle against toxic invaders, turning harmful substances into harmless ones and sending them on their way out. But then, how do you tell your liver to be efficient and remove these harmful substances? Foods rich in antioxidants like garlic, onions, grapes, berries, and green tea, along with cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts, can provide the nutrients needed for this detoxification process. By consuming these foods, you promote your liver's capability to build enzymes that neutralize and remove carcinogens, thus supporting its essential mission in maintaining a healthy body. The detoxification of harmful carcinogens is essential, but the liver doesn't stop there. It's also our shield against something equally menacing: free radicals. Think of your body like a delicate ecosystem, where various creatures and elements coexist in harmony. Among these, free radicals are like unpredictable storms, capable of wreaking havoc. They can be formed naturally in the body or come from things around us, like pollution. These free radicals might seem small, but they can do something big and dangerous. They can alter or even damage our DNA. Now, you might wonder why that's a problem. Well, DNA is like the rulebook for our cells. It tells them exactly what to do and how to behave. If that rulebook gets altered or damaged, the cells can start getting the wrong instructions. And when that happens, a cell might go down a path it was never meant to, growing and dividing uncontrollably until it becomes a cancerous cell. But here's the good news. Our body has a guardian watching over us, and it's our liver. The liver produces a special molecule called glutathione. Think of glutathione as the peacekeeper of our delicate ecosystem. Its job is to calm those stormy free radicals, neutralizing them before they can cause harm. By controlling the free radicals, glutathione keeps our cells, and specifically our DNA, safe from damage. Our liver's work with glutathione is just one of the many ways our bodies stay strong, healthy, and free from the chaos those unpredictable storms might cause. But then, how do you tell your liver to protect you from these free radicals? Consuming foods rich in antioxidants, such as citrus fruits, berries, nuts, dark chocolate, spinach, and carrots, promotes the liver's capability to protect from free radicals. These nourishing food choices support the liver in its essential task of maintaining the delicate balance within our bodies, fighting off potential threats, and helping to keep us healthy and vibrant. The sun not only provides warmth, but initiates a beautiful dance between the sun, our skin, and the liver. Are you curious? Let's talk about vitamin D synthesis. Do you ever look up at the sun and feel its warmth on your skin? That same sun is starting a powerful process in your body, a process that could be a key to keeping you healthy. It all begins with something called vitamin D. Now, vitamin D might sound familiar. You may even take it as a supplement. But did you know that an active vitamin D promotes the natural death of cancer cells? That's right, it's like a guardian for your body, keeping watch over rogue cells that might otherwise grow out of control. Studies have found that active vitamin D can suppress the growth of tumors, acting as a barrier that cancer finds hard to penetrate. But that's not all. Vitamin D has a nurturing side too. It helps your cells mature and function properly, guiding them like a wise teacher. It even encourages cancer cells to behave more normally, leading them back onto the right path. Now you might be wondering, what does all this have to do with liver? Here's where the magic happens. Your liver, along with your kidneys, helps convert vitamin D formed by the sun on your skin into fully active vitamin D. Without the liver's precise work, vitamin D would remain inactive, unable to perform its vital role. Foods that promote liver capability in vitamin D synthesis include fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, eggs, fortified foods like milk and orange juice, and mushrooms exposed to sunlight. Consuming these nutrient-rich foods supports the liver's essential role in transforming vitamin D into active vitamin D, empowering our bodies to benefit from its many protective and nurturing effects. With the liver being such a multifaceted organ, ensuring the balance of hormones is yet another feather in its cap, especially when it comes to estrogen. Let's dive into this intricate balance. Have you ever stopped to think about the incredible harmony inside our bodies? Let's talk about estrogen, one of the main hormones that does some pretty magical things for women, and even a little bit for men. Yep, men have it too, but not as much. Now, estrogen's main gig is to help shape and manage things like the reproductive system and other characteristics that make women uniquely women. But just like anything else, too much of a good thing can become a problem. That's where the liver, our body's silent superstar, steps in. The liver has this cool job of breaking down estrogen. It uses something called enzymes to mark any extra estrogen, and then takes it out with the trash. It's like the body's own recycling system. But then, why is this so vital? Studies have found out that too much estrogen might lead to a greater chance of breast cancer, especially in women after menopause. So our liver's role in balancing hormones is a lifesaver. But wait, there's more. This whole liver and estrogen balancing act might also affect other types of cancer, like ovarian and endometrial. Who knew our liver was such a hero, right? Foods that promote liver capability in regulating hormones include cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts, along with whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats like those found in avocados and olive oil. Incorporating these nourishing foods into your diet supports the liver in its essential function of maintaining hormonal balance, further protecting us from potential health risks. To support a healthy liver and prevent cancer, it's vital to embrace a balanced diet filled with nourishing foods, engage in regular exercise, and stay hydrated. Avoiding excessive alcohol and steering clear of toxic substances are equally crucial in maintaining this guardian within you. These are simple yet powerful steps that can make a significant difference in keeping your liver robust and resilient. We hope you found this video not only informative but also inspiring. Did you enjoy learning about this hidden hero inside your body? If so, please give this video a big thumbs up by hitting the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell. That way, you'll never miss out on the exciting discoveries we share. Always remember, nourish your liver and it will nourish you. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.